Hi, it's Cathy Andronikou and welcome to this embossed brushstroke stamping tutorial. Begin by placing the lovely lilac stamp by Penny Black in the Misty, then using the Wow embossing pen, colour in just the stems of the flower. Stamp onto the cardstock and then sprinkle with Jealous Guy Wow embossing powder. Brush off any excess powder. I'm using a fine paintbrush here, and then heat set. Clean off the stamp and then place your card back into the stamp positioner. I'm now using the Wow embossing pad to cover the buds of the flower. Sprinkle with metalline red embossing powder and then use the paintbrush to remove the embossing powder from the stems that you have already embossed. Repeat this last step a second time. This will add a deeper, thicker layer of embossing powder. Using the embossing pen, go over the stems again and go over with the Jealous Guy embossing powder to intensify the colour. Use the embossing pen to add some extra detail to the petal, applying it to the bases and edges of the leaves as required. Then sprinkle with Primary Pink Robin embossing powder and heat set. Place the card back into the stamp positioner and use the smaller lilac. Repeat the process again, this time using fluorescent pink as the base colour for the petals. Sprinkle the Primary Pink Robin embossing powder again for the lighter flowers. Trim the card down to size and mask off the edges. Then lightly distress using the Pickled Raspberry, Worn Lipstick and Twisted Citron Distress Oxide inks. Wipe off any excess ink from the embossed areas using a damp cloth and kitchen towel. Then remove the masking tape to reveal the border. Put the image back into the stamp positioner and then stamp the Happy Birthday using VersaFine ink. This sentiment comes from the Beautiful Heart stamp set by Penny Black. Randomly sprinkle white embossing powder around the edge of the design and heat set from underneath. Then mount onto your card blank and put some sequins or glitter to add extra detail. Your card is now complete. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel.